Today we're going to be replacing a double pane window because sometimes a double pane window cracks under the heat of the sun. Now they make a special tool for this, but you can just use a putty knife to insert between the glass and the frame so you can cut through this silicone. You can go to a glass shop and have the window made. We had ours made about 1/16 of an inch smaller all the way around. When you get the new window in, make sure it is the size you're expecting before you try to install it. You can scrape off the remaining silicone with a flathead screwdriver. If you have low E glass, there'll be a sticker on it, and that sticker goes toward the inside. Use suction cups to help you move the window into place safely. And we're putting a larger one on the inside of the window. You make sure that groove is completely cleared out. There might be some old silicone in there. You can also use a razor blade to clean off that old dried silicone from flat surfaces. In fact, you may want to dry fit these outer vinyl frame pieces before placing the glass in, just to be sure that that groove is clear. Put clean, fresh silicone on the wood frame, being careful not to be too close to the edge where it might squeeze out and come onto the glass pane. And place the window against the silicone. Now place those outer vinyl frames right into that groove. Now we're going to start the lower one. We'll have to pull the shim out, and sometimes it may take lifting on that suction cup to push it in all the way. Just make sure these are pushed in flat. You can clean off the silicone from the glass with acetone or fingernail polish remover. Now we'll remove the suction cup and the low E sticker from the inside. Now the mullion can go back in, and now we have a view out the window without a crack in the window pane.